Alright, sorry for the rough transition. This is the final spreadsheet. This is the client tracker. So first off, if you want to pull information from your print log, if you go over to the print log, our product order number was number 1. So on the client tracker, you want to put in that number. So you put in 1. And when you do that, it'll populate the information from here. So it'll take all the important information really. So as you can see, you're printing one of these items. The print time was an hour. The pricing rate was set on special last time I checked. It has a 50% margin or markup price. Final quote was $15. Manufacturing cost was $11.08. Shipping cost was $5.50, and the profit was $3.92. If you want to do this, or the manual pricing, you can go back to the print log and then change this to discount. Preferably discount. You could do personal, sample, or benchmark, but you primarily want to choose discount. So that would get rid of your base and final quote. You would then go back to the client tracker, and then you can put in your manual pricing of, let's say, $25. So then you'd have a profit of $13.92. If you have any additional fees or deductions you want to make from this profit, you can put it in this column. So I'll just put $1 for simplicity's sake, and you'll see a profit of $12.92. And that should be that.